Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. Yes, okay. Now we are going to see page number 17. All of you take page number 17. Take page number 17. Then take your pencil, eraser, everything. Have to take, okay? Okay, go and take fast. Go fast and take. Take your book, then pencil, eraser. Go and take. Okay, then take page number 17. All of you take page number 17. 1-7. Okay, then see this one first. Sign and symbols. Sign and symbols. Okay, so sign and symbols mean something. They give us certain messages. What do these symbols mean or stand for? Discuss them in class. Okay, see here. Symbol is given. What symbol is this? We have to identify. So first you have to see this symbol. What is this symbol? This is staircase, right? Stair. So you have to write stairs. Okay, all of you take your pencil and write stairs. S T A I R. Yes, stairs. Write all of you. S T A I R. Yes, stairs. Everyone written? S T A I R S. Stairs. Okay? The next one. See here. Next one. This is taxi symbol, right? So, this is a taxi stand. This is a taxi stand. So, all of you write taxi stand. T-A-X-I. Taxi. S-T-A-N-D. Taxi stand. Right? Taxi stand. Okay, this one is a taxi stand. Everyone written, ma? First one is stairs. Second one is a taxi stand. Okay, taxi stand. The next one. This symbol represent no smoking. Okay, this symbol represent no smoking. All of you write N-O. No. S-M-O-K-I-N-G. No smoking. So, first picture, stairs. Second picture, taxi stand. Third picture, no smoking. Okay. First picture is stairs. Second picture, taxi stand. Third picture, no smoking. Okay. Okay. Then, you will go for the next one. What is this? In toilet and all, men's toilet, in this picture is there in the door, right? So, this is men's toilet. Men's toilet. M-E-N, right? M-E-N apostrophe S, toilet. Men's toilet. So, this is what? Men's toilet. M-E-N-S. Men's. T-O-I-L-E-T. Men's toilet. Okay? Understood? The next one. See this? That boy is using this dustbin. Am I correct? So what you have to do? Do not litter. Throw litter in bins only. Have to throw it to the bins. That is correct. So you have to write. Fifth one. You have to write do not litter. Okay? Otherwise, throw litter in bins only. Okay? What does this picture represent? Do not litter or throw litter in bins only. Okay, all of you write, ma. D-O, do not. N-O-T, not. L-I-T-T-E-R, Otherwise, throw litter in bins only. Throw litter in bins only. Okay, understood? Do not litter or throw litter in bins only. Understood? Right, all of you? Okay, everyone completed? Yes. The next one, sixth one. See here, this one represent the physically challenged. Okay, physically challenged people. Okay, for this one represent for the physically challenged only. Okay, so sixth one you have to write for the physically challenged people. Okay, challenged, otherwise challenged only. For the physically challenged only. Okay, all of you write sixth one for the physically challenged only. Okay, this one. This pic represent for the physically challenged only. This picture represent for the physically challenged only. Am I correct? Yes? Everyone written? Okay. I'll give 2 minutes or 1 minute. See here, write fast. For the physically challenged only. Write for the physically challenged only. Okay, the next one you see here. What do these flags and signs mean? See here flags are given, right? Flags are given. This flag represent what? This one, see here, a flag at half mast. Half mast means, what is the meaning? National mourning. Okay, spelling is M-O-U-R, morning. Okay, so you have to write. Next one, that is B. Okay, B. B, first one. National mourning. National mourning. Right? National mourning. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National M-O-U-R-I-N-I-N-G. Mourning. Okay. So, first one represent what? This one represent national mourning. Okay. The next one. This one is an ambulance, right? Yes. So, this cross represent what? Red cross, right? This is a red cross. Is a sign for hospital, nursing, home, ambulance. Okay, you have to write like this. A red cross, second one. You write. A red cross is a sign for a hospital, then hospital, nursing home, ambulance. Okay, so all of you write this. Red cross is a sign for a hospital, nursing home, ambulance. All of you write fast. A red cross is a sign for a hospital, nursing home, ambulance. Okay, a red cross is a sign for a hospital, nursing home, ambulance. Okay, understood? Yes. So next one. See this, a flag is given. See here, checked flag. Here a boy is keeping. See here, one checked flag is given. That is what? This flag signal represent what? The end of a motor race. Races are here. See this picture, motor race is going. Right? So this flag signal end what? Signal the end of a motor race. So next one, what you have to write? Third one. Write the third one. What you have to write? This flag signal. This flag signal the end of a motor race. Okay. So all of you write the flag signal. This flag signal the end of motor race. The end of a motor race. This flag signal the end of a motor race. Okay. So everyone completed these three everyone completed. First one is National Morning. The next, a red cross is a sign for a hospital, nursing home, ambulance. Then this flag signal the end of a motor race. Everyone completed ma? This one. I'm giving time, okay? All of you copy from this video. See here, first one is chase. First one is chase. The next one is taxi stand. Taxi stand. Then third one, no smoking. No smoking. Then fourth one, men's toilet. Men's toilet. Then do not litter or through litter in bins only. Then for the physically challenged only. For the physically challenged only. Okay. Then next one, National Morning. National Morning. Then a red cross is a sign for a hospital, nursing home, ambulance. Then this flag signal the end of a motor race. Finished? Write finished everyone? See here and copy fast ma. See here and copy fast. Write neatly, okay? Everyone, you have to write neatly. See here, if you can't write in this, you have to take one paper like this. You have to take one paper and write like this and paste it here, okay? If you can't write in this page, means what you have to do, you have to take one paper like this and write the answers. Then paste it here. This paper you have to paste it here. Then it will be easy for you. Like this you paste. Then you will see here and you will study the answer. Like that you have to do. You have to paste here. Like this you paste. Then you have to learn. Okay ma? Everyone completed? Okay. Write fast, okay? I think everyone completed. Okay? Like this you have to take one paper and write, okay? Then it will be easy to study. Here you have to paste like this. Then it will be very easy for studying, okay? Then take the next page. See here. Name these plants and trees. Write the correct letter in each box, okay? You have to see the question answer also given here. Banyan, tea, coconut, bamboo. So see here. Here you have to see this tree. Which one is this one? Banyan or tea or coconut or bamboo? This tree is called bamboo tree. Okay, all of you see this picture. This is bamboo. So you have to write D. Okay, bamboo. B-A-M-B-O-O. So in this box you have to write D. Okay, D. The next one. This one T, right? T. So B. B only, the answer is T. So you have to write B. The next one. This one you know, right? Coconut tree. So coconut, C. So you have to write C. coconut. Then this one is a banyan tree, right? So you have to write A. You have to write A. So first picture is bamboo, D. The next one is T, B. This is coconut. So the answer is C. Then this is a banyan tree. So you have to write A. D, B, C, A. Okay, ma? Understood? Okay. These and all you have to learn. Okay. The next one. Quiz is given. See here. Do spiders spin webs to catch their prey? Spiders will spin. Spider. Everyone knows spider, right? Spider will spin webs. No, spider will not spin webs, right? Yes? Do spiders spin webs to catch their prey? Yes or no? Yes. Am I correct? Confused, everyone? Okay, do spiders spin webs to catch their prey? Yes, spiders. You know spider, okay? Yes? Everyone home having a spider, right? So, the spiders spin webs. Webs, with the webs only to catch their prey. So, this is yes. Then, do tigers hunt in big groups? Tiger will hunt in the big groups. Tiger will hunt? No. Tiger will not hunt. Okay. If it is a big group means will not hunt. Okay. So, no. So, is a chimpanzee one of the few mammals that can show its feelings by making faces? Yes. Okay. The answer is yes. Chimpanzee is a few mammals that can show its feelings. That mammals having their feelings that will show, okay, by making faces. Okay, yes. Does a kingfisher really eat fish? Yes, kingfisher will eat fish. So, yes. Do tigers lick their wounds to heal them? Yes. If the leg is healed by wounding, anything is there, the tigers will lick their wounds. Okay, then when deer sense danger, do they send signals to other deer by moving their tails? Yes, okay. If the deer has sensed danger, they send the signals by moving their tails, they send the message. Okay, yes. So, is the peahen more beautiful than the peacock? No, because peacock is very beautiful. Okay, so no. Like bees, do ants also have a queen? Yes, like bees, do ants also have a queen? Bees also have a queen bee, right? So, in ants also, queen ant also there. Okay, so yes. Then, have the shells that you find on a beach ever been the homes of living creature? Yes, shells are there, right? These and all, we will decorate in homes like that and all, right? Yes. Are most sharks afraid of human beings? Yes, most of the sharks are afraid, right? So, yes. Have all dogs descended from the same wild ancestor, the wolf? Yes, all dogs are descended from the same wild ancestor, the wolf. Yes. Are these mushrooms? Look at the image 12. See this image and say this is mushrooms? Yes. So, you have to write Y. Okay. Then, is it true that the national fiber that we get from the creature? See here, this image shown in 13 is cotton. Yes. This is a natural fiber. Okay, not national, sorry. Natural fiber that we get from the creature shown in image. Yes, from this only you'll got the natural fiber. Okay, understood? Okay, then all of you finish this one. Once again I am telling, do spiders spin webs to catch their prey? Yes. Do tigers hunt in big groups? No. Is a chimpanzee one of the few mammals that can show its feelings by making faces? Yes. Does a kingfisher really eat fish? Yes. Do tigers lick their wounds to heal them? Yes. When deer sense danger, do they send signals to other deer by moving their tails? Yes. Is the peahen more beautiful than the peacock? No. Like bees, do ants also have a queen? Yes. Have the shells that you find on a beach ever been the homes of living creatures? Yes. Are most sharks afraid of human beings? Yes. Have all dogs descended from the same wild ancestor, the wolf? Yes. Are these mushrooms? Look at the image 12. Yes, this is a mushrooms. So you have to use yes. Is it true that the natural fiber that we get from the creature? See here, see this picture. Here, this one. Oh, sorry, okay. This one, the answer will be no, okay. Is it creature, the natural fiber that we get from the creature shown in image? This is cotton? No. So, natural fiber that we get from the creature? No. So, you have to write N, okay. Sorry. First I said Y, right? So, wrong, okay. This is N. Okay. See here, see this image. This is not a, this is like leaf and like caterpillar, right? Yes. So, this creature will not give the fiber. So, the answer will be no. Okay, ma? Right, no. Okay? Okay. So, we finished 3 pages. Learn, okay? Understood? If you have any doubt, you ask. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.